Well, back from Graphic Extras. In this tutorial I'm just going to quickly show you how to export a Photoshop brush to another application. Now most applications obviously have their own brushes, so but you might want a particular Photoshop brush in, say, like PSP or GIMP. Well, this is a quick way of doing it. You just basically, and there's of course numerous ways to do it in Photoshop, as with most things. So here's a brush from graphicextras.com. I'm going to set the colour to black. That's the key thing. And I'm just going to apply the brush dab just there, basically. File, save as. Just save it, preferably something like PSD or TIFF, and of course you can always use it at a later date. You save it the best quality you can, say 300 dpi, whatever. So that's a quick way of saving the brushes. Now, of course, you don't have to stop there. You can actually create more complicated brushes, and I'm just going to quickly apply some more brush strokes, just like that. Multiple brushes. Now, you can of course save that as a Photoshop brush as well. So one brush can become thousands of different brushes. So that's another way. Also, and I'm just going to quickly fill this. Of course, you can apply brushes. Of course, you can apply different brushes as well. You don't have to just apply these brushes. And then you can apply effects, say blur. Click OK. And again, save that as a new brush just by a PSD or TIFF format. Also, you can use the brushes in a slightly different way. You can actually just fill, and I'm going to resize that. Just apply that, and you don't have to apply the entire brush. Of course, you don't have to save the entire brush. You can actually just chop out parts of the brush. That is perfectly adequate as a brush for many purposes in other applications, as well as of course Photoshop. So if you want to go edit, define, you can define that as a new brush. Anyway, hope you found this tutorial of interest, and you'll subscribe to the Graphic Extras channel, always adding new videos, and thank you much.